Namaste and great afternoon, everybody. A few people have inquired on my YouTube channel about personal readings, and I have set up a Gmail account or email for that for those that are interested. And how you get into that is Siddha, Siddha readings 60 at gmail.com. And so if you're interested, you can leave your email there and let me know that you're interested, and then I'll email you back with whatever information you need to pay, which what we'll do is $25 minimum donation for a reading. And so once the payment is received, then I can go ahead and do the reading. And so when someone had asked about a reading for a loved one that had passed, and that would be great to do, or it can just be anything really. It doesn't matter, anything in your life that you want to be looked into deeper. And a lot of times with that, there can many times what will come forward are different ways to break through that energetic pattern. Maybe it's with someone that you're having some troubles with or issues, and see whatever, what's creating some of those issues, how to move forward in a more beneficial manner. That comes out a lot of times in the readings. And this is again just done spontaneously through the pendulum work and the connection with the energy. So, usually what I'll ask is just a picture of something. If it's between two people, it'd be nice to have a picture of both of them. If it's a loved one that's passed, it'd be good to have a picture or something that resonates of their energy. And oftentimes, whatever resonates with that, the person that's worried about them or the loved one that wants information, it'd be good to have something of them as well. So it's pretty simple in that way. And then I just, do the make the connection just like on the channel. And with my other hand, it's a little tricky, so I'm holding that and typing with my other. And so whatever's typed out, I can give back to you. So, this is just something that's being offered, and I'm not the greatest always at checking, since I've got these different emails now, checking them all, I guess, but I will try to check in with that email at least once a day or every other day. And if for some reason, though, you do leave an email and that I'm not responding, if you could just prompt me by leaving a message on my YouTube account, that would be great. And then I can go in and see what's there, and we can move forward from there. Okay, so that's just an offering if anyone's interested. And yesterday I was actually locked out of my YouTube account because I had set up this new email. And what happened is it locked me out of, and then I couldn't find the password, and it took us all day. And finally, with some of the help that I got from people, I was able to it all clicked and came together, and I was able to get in, and I found the right password, fortunately. So today I will try to do some of the readings on the list. We have some interesting ones that people have brought up, and I just am really, again, very grateful for the respectful comments of encouragement and that you appreciate the channel when those come in. I really, really do appreciate those, and glad that people are getting something out of the videos. And for those that have signed up to my site, welcome, and thank you for supporting whatever is taking place here. So, alrighty, so I just wanted to put this out. May you all have a great day, and I will talk with you soon. See you back online soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye now.